Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Chardonnay grape. Chardonnay is the most widely planted white grape in the world. It's got a great ability to adapt to the soils and the climate where it's grown. And depending on where it's grown, it's going to produce different styles. So if it's a cool climate, you're going to get this sort of leaner, citrus green fruit character. If it's a warmer climate, you're going to get some more sort of ripe stone fruit and some tropical notes. It's also got a great affinity to oak. So you see lots of Chardonnay with a bit of barrel aging. And it's also a key component in the production of champagne and sparkling wine around the world. So I picked out two Chardonnays from our range to reflect two different styles. Firstly, we have the Domaine de la Motte Chablis. Now the climate here is cool continental, so it's a short growing season. So you're going to get grapes which have got high acidity. The fruit's going to be sort of more on the sort of citrusy green fruit style, maybe some green apple. It's going to be really crisp and fresh on the finish. And this is a great wine to have with grilled fish, some smoked salmon. It's a really nice match. So that's a very lean, crisp, dry style. Then we move to Chile, the Nostros Gran Reserva Chardonnay. So the climate in Chile is what we describe in the wine trade as Mediterranean. And that means that you've got a long growing period. It's warm, it's mild, and you're going to get really ripe grapes. So the flavour profile of the Chardonnay grapes here is going to be very different to Chablis. It's going to be much more sort of tropical fruits, some pineapple, some melon. And this wine's also had a bit of barrel aging. So that's going to bring some toasty notes, some vanilla, some hints of spice, and a richer sort of mouthfeel. And what I would say, if you're matching a sort of oak Chardonnay, you're best going for something with like a creamy dishes. It goes really well with dishes that have got butter and cream in, so anything with sauce. So two very different styles. You've got a crisp and fresh, you've got a richer and full-bodied, and it really just depends on what you're eating as to which one you might choose. So yeah, that's just two examples of how Chardonnay can differ around the world.